So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. So let's do our assignment developing soft skill and personality. Week 0 assignment 0. So the first question is people with soft skill dash manage their time well, know how to use the computer, have good conflict resolution skills, are known for their fights, are effective communicators, no carpentry. So the answer of the first question is first, third and fifth. Manage their time well, have good conflict resolution skill, are effective communicators. Now the second question is mindset is. So the answer is attitude, personality and worldview. Now the third question is identify the example of hard skill from the following: leadership, flexibility, typing skill, driving skill, communication skill, machine operating skill. So the answer of third question is typing skill, driving skill, and the last is machine operating skill. Now, the fourth question is choose all the proverbs that show a negative mindset. Live and let live, forgive and forget, tit for tat, practice make a person perfect, my hand are tied, let the punishment fit the crime. So, the answer of fourth question is tit for tat and my hands are tied, and the last is let the punishment fit the crime. So now the fifth question is which of the statement fits someone with a growth mindset? I know everything, I will try even if I fail. I was born to be a loser. I accept all kind of feedback. I am not meant for this work. I like to try new things. So the answer of fifth question is I will try even if I fail, and I accept all kind of feedback, and I like to try new things. Now the sixth question is identify the incorrect ways to address an official in a meeting. So these are the option, and the answer of sixth question is hey girl, it is good having you around, and hey dude, what's up, and yo, you good bro. Now the seventh question is identify all the unlikable traits: punctuality, indecency, aggressiveness, proper dressing, confidence, sarcasm. So the answer of seventh question is indecency and aggressiveness and sarcasm. Now the eighth question is identify the statement that someone with a fixed mindset would say. So these are the option, and the answer of the this question is I cannot learn a new language at this age. My intelligence is fixed, and no matter how much effort I put in, it is useless. And the last is I do not need anyone's criticism to improve myself. Now the ninth question is identify the kinds of non-verbal communication. So the option is handshakes, PowerPoint presentation, head gesture, letter writing, waving hands, phone call. So the answer of the ninth question is handshake, head gesture, and waving hands. Now the 10th question is identify the commonly used abbreviation in email. So the option is these, and the answer of the 10th question is aka, also known as, and fir and then PFA, please find attached, and ASAP, as soon as possible. Now the 11th question is communication is a two-way process between the sender and the dash, teacher, receiver, retriever, organizer, finder or driver. So the answer of 11th question is second, receiver. Now the 12th question is identify the habit that is good for personality development. These are the option, and the answer of this question is meditation. Now the 13th question is essential telephones skills involves. So these are the option, and the answer of 13th question is being an active listener. Now the 14th question is what do you understand by learning? So these are the option, and the answer of 14th question is 14th question is what is essential for success? So money, fame, consistency, degree, certificate, bungalow and MacBook. So the answer of 15th question is third, consistency. Now the 16th question is what is not the purpose of this course? So these are the option, and the answer of 16th is to demotivate people. Now the 17th question is identify the aim of effective communication. So these are the option and the answer of 17th question is to get the desired response. Now the 18th question is soft skill are also known as cybernetic skill, beauty skill, counterfeiting skill, people skill, driving skill, mathematical skill. So the answer of 18th question is people skill. Now the 19th question is soft skill will help in dash. So these are the option and the answer of this 19th question is second, developing interpersonal skill. Now the 20th question is what would be your advice to someone appearing for an interview. So these are the option and now the answer of 20th question is greet the interviewers with a smile. And now the 21st question is all learning is done by reading books. So option is true or false. So the answer of 21 question is false. Now the 22nd question is someone with soft skill will treat everyone equally. So the answer of 22nd question is true. Now the 23rd question people around us do not contribute to our failure or success. So the answer of 23rd question is false. Now, the 24th question is growth mindset gives an optimistic worldview. So the answer of 24th question is true. Now, the 25th question is effective communication means manipulation. True or false? So the answer of this question is false. So let's submit the answer. So thank you friends for watching this video.